am started my chicken broth. So I purchased a chicken broth in the store, but I just want to make extra chicken broth, homemade chicken broth, in case I need it for the noodles and, you know, vegetables. So I'm just gonna cook the chicken or boil the chicken for 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on how tender the chicken is. And from there, I'm gonna add the, so once the chicken is cooked, I'm gonna remove the chicken, guys, and then add the annatto seeds, or I only have annatto powder, so that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the chicken to be really cooked or tender. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, so my mom will help me with the cooking of our pancit. So the chicken is cooked. So now my mom will remove the chicken. Okay guys, so the oil is hot. Now you add the garlic. Add the garlic. 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, so saute the garlic until light to golden brown. So just saute it. And then spread the garlic evenly, so you know it will be cooked evenly too. So just spread it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna wait the garlic until brown, golden. Okay guys, so now that the garlic is light brown or golden brown, we have to remove some of it for later, for toppings. Now that the garlic is brown, we need to add the onions. You can use white or yellow onions, and I only have little onions. So we have to, you can use white or yellow onions. So now guys, we have to add the shredded chicken. Okay, so the chicken is already cooked. You just basically you know, mix it with the onions and the garlic. Okay. So now guys, we can add the chicken stock. Add the chicken stock. Okay, so add the chicken stock, and then we have to let it boil. And I think we will add more chicken broth because that's not a lot. So just use that one. Get the chicken. So we're adding chicken broth, guys, because the water that we made, I mean the one that we made, is not a lot. So 4 more. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, so it's boiling now. We can add the Knorr chicken cubes. So this is optional, but if you want really the bold taste of the chicken, you can add this too. So my mom will put 1 cube and then just stir it, and so it will be the so it's gonna melt. I mean the cubes will be melt and the flavor will be incorporated to the soup. So now guys, my mom will add carrots. Okay, and then we'll let the, we're gonna let the, and then maybe we can also add the, no, not yet. We're gonna cook the carrots first, and then later on we're gonna add some of the vegetables. We're adding the celery now, guys. Okay, so now guys, we are adding the snap peas and also the snow peas. we're gonna add the snow peas also. Okay, so we're just gonna cook the vegetable. So we are going to cook it for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna cover it so the water will not evaporate. Okay guys, so we're going to add bell peppers. The other one. So this is optional, but we're just gonna add this so to add more color on our noodles. Okay. So now guys, we are going to add the noodles. Just put it on top. Come on. Okay. So we're gonna cover it first guys and allow it to cook 2 to 3 minutes. So it's still cooking there. So now guys, we are started to mix the noodles and the vegetables, and you can at this point just turn the heat to medium, and we just have to make sure that the noodles absorb all the water or all the liquids. And if you need to add chicken broth at this point, you can. So okay, we can add also spring onions. Just sprinkle it guys. It's just add color, but actually we could have added it earlier too. We're adding also just a little bit of celery leaves, but it's optional if you wanna do that. You can use cabbage too, but I don't have cabbage here. So. Our pancit, and we're using the vermicelli noodles. You can serve it with lemon too. Hi guys, this is the pancit we cooked earlier, and it's really good guys. So I think so it's really good. I like the vegetable, it's so crunchy.